Hello, dear students. How are you all? Are you all reading the stories? How are you finding them? Easy? Difficult? If you find it difficult, if you're not able to read any story, first try to read the words which we are giving before reading the story. Okay? That will help you a lot in reading the story fluently. But do not miss reading the story. Okay? They're all very simple stories with very nice illustrations, with very nice pictures. Okay? So till now, how many stories we have read this week? 2 stories, right? The Big Pancake, Lost and Found. As you have read these 2 stories, in your English journal, in the last page, you can note down these titles. Okay? Like this. The books I read. The books I read. The Big Pancake, number 2, Lost and Found. Also from now on, whenever you finish reading any storybook, you can note down the title here, and also you can share the same thing with your class teacher and all your classmates. We everyday meet 2 times, right? One time in the morning and once in the afternoon. So in any of those 2 meetings, you can share the same thing that, I have finished reading so and so book. That thing you can share with all your classmates and with your teachers, so that others also will get inspired. They also will start reading, looking at you. Okay? So let us see what is today's story. Today's story is, follow the pointer. Brown bear, what do you see? Okay? Let us see what it is about. But before we read the story, what do we do actually? We first try to learn to read the words that we are going to get in the story, so that story reading will become easy and reading also will be fluent. Okay. Follow the pointer and listen. Brown, bear, what, bird, duck. Some of these words you already know. Okay. Yellow, blue. Most of these words are colors. See, yellow, blue, green, purple, white, black, goldfish, F-I-S-H, fish, right? G-O-L-D, goldfish. Teacher, children, horse, frog. Okay? So now let us see what is the story about. Brown bear, what do you see? Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Look at the pictures. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, children, what do you see? We see a brown bear, a red bird. See, there is a list of animals. That is why they are separating them with a comma. A red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. The end. So this is today's story. So what is your reading engagement for today? First, try to read these words. Learn to read these words. Okay, 2 to 3 times you can read these words. Then start reading the story. Read the story also 2 to 3 times till you read it fluently. Okay, that's it for today, students. See you in the next class. Happy reading. Bye-bye. See you.